World War I, somewhere on a battlefield road, a Crossley 1914-20-25 HP military truck sits broken, its rear leaf spring snapped, a common failure on rough terrain. Crossley trucks, built in Manchester, were essential for the British Army. Their 5.296cc 40 HP engines were strong, but even they couldn't escape the brutal conditions of war. Soldiers are fixing it with basic hand tools, oil cans, and muscle, while the spare tires strapped to the fender remind us how often repairs were needed. Here's a fully operational Crossley. Same robust side valve engine, wooden spoke wheels, and solid rear axle designed for rough terrain. These trucks weren't just for transport, they served as mobile headquarters, ambulances, and supply vehicles. After the war, many were repurposed for civilian use, proving their legendary durability. Peace brings a new challenge: London's busy streets. Double-decker Crossley buses powered by straight-six petrol engines dominate the road. These were built with the same engineering that kept army trucks running. Advertisements cover the sides, marking the rise of commercial transport. Crossley didn't just build war machines. By the 1920s, their cars and buses became a familiar sight in British cities. Winter in the 1930s. Roads are slippery, but traffic moves. Cars are more advanced now. Better brakes, enclosed cabins, electric lighting. Crossley's influence continues, with their luxury models and taxis serving the streets. Even during WWI, Crossley advertised, built to the same high standard as our wartime vehicles. Their 1919 ad, written in Dutch for European buyers, promoted the Crossley Manchester touring car with immediate chassis availability. These weren't just cars, they were built with the same materials as Crossley's famous aircraft engines. From war zones to city streets, Crossley shaped automotive history. What hidden details do you see? Let's uncover more.